So hello, I have here a small miniature milling machine from Robert Speck, made in Germany in 1977, and it's in great condition. It comes with some accessories. One of them is this vise here. With the T-nuts to connect them onto this bed here. Yeah, this vise is in great condition. Comes with a couple of collets. This is W10 collets. Can be from Chablin or Wolfjan, or other brands produce them as well. This is a blank to make your own holder. Some sizes are there. I see 30, 50, 40, 42, 32, 12, 2, 15, and yeah, some gear cutters here. One collet W10 is inserted, also with a gear cutter. I can show it running. It has 2 speeds. This is the slow speed, and this is the high speed. This nut here, you can give tension to the belt. Yeah, it's made in Germany. It's this is a solid piece with good bearings. Here's a slide for the high adjustment, which you can lock in place as well, and a readout with a drum. Here, this is the slide for this direction with a readout. Possible to put it on 0. And then of course you have this movement with the end stops, movable, and fine adjustment end stops. Yeah, the 3-jaw chuck from Emco. These are Lorg parts, if I'm correct. This is a dividing plate with a pointer. Yeah, feels very solid and sturdy on a W bed. Yeah, I will put it on a scale later on and put the total weight in the advertisement. And maybe I can show a little bit more. So this is the bearings for the spindle. Let's make it run one more time. Here on the back side there's the drawbar with a W10 for the collet here. This is the dividing plate with many holes and possibilities. This is the Lorg adjusted headstock, which you can rotate here in this direction with the Emco 3-jaw chuck. Yeah, counter center. The motor runs now on a 3 times 330 with a frequency converter that works well. Possible to run it also on 380. Yeah, thank you for watching.